Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's currently 9 o'clock in the morning, and yes, you can see a slight change here. So, finally, the Himalayan has got some new clothes. So, this is a new handlebar which I've put on. It's an Art of Motorcycle handlebar. So, extremely comfortable. I was quite skeptical before ordering this. Just on the basis of looks, I didn't have any doubt on the functionality because the people who make it are extremely professional and quite talented. So I didn't have any of those issues, but just on the basis of looks, I was very skeptical. But looks are very subjective, and in the images it looks quite different. Not quite different, but something, it feels different, and when you put it on, it feels different. So yeah, man, just in a day or two, you just forget about the looks and focus on the functionality aspect of the handlebar, and it's just amazing. The handlebar is super comfortable to ride even while you're saddling. So this ride is about that, just to test the handlebar. I've planned to go on a ride, very short ride. So let's see how the handlebar tests made you on the highway. So the handlebar is working just fine. We didn't have much highway to shoot on, so couldn't find, but there's some open road here. So the maneuvering and the overall control of the vehicle is just amazing. I can feel better control of my bike than the previous handlebar. Obviously the stock handlebar was comfortable, but this is much better. Easily I can twist and turn the bike, it just runs smooth. Even in the traffic, I didn't have any complaints. I didn't feel it too, and the handlebar is very light, so it's just amazing. So let's now the sitting stance completely has changed. Not completely, a little bit, not even a little bit, somewhere moderately it has changed. And all the twists and turns this handle can handle easily. So let's meet you off-road.
So finally I've seen the motor vlog, and now it's time to review the Art of Motorcycle handlebar. So the main question which arises in everyone's mind is, do you need one? So to answer that in a very simple way is that if you're someone who's like me, who focuses more on performance and who focuses more on comfort and the riding stance and things like that matter to them, yes, that handlebar is important. Also, the second reason why you should buy that handlebar is the build quality is absolutely amazing. It's built from aluminium, CNC build. It is a CNC build, so you can blindly go for that. And the third reason why you should buy it is because it's absolutely dirt cheap. So it cost me around 2,100 including shipping. So if you don't know Art of Motorcycles, it's a motorcycle workshop which is located in Bangalore. So it came from Bangalore to Mumbai. I ordered it online. So I will just paste their link in the description. And this handlebar is not just for Himalayan. It is for other bikes as well, such as the X-Pulse, Dominar, and so on. So you can check it out on their website. So my review is 5 on 5 for this handlebar. So you can blindly trust on this handlebar, go for it. Just don't go on the looks. It might not look that appealing, but once you ride with that handlebar on any bike, you'll get to know what that handlebar is capable of. So you can blindly go for that handlebar, eyes closed. It's very cheap, and it can be fitted anywhere. You can go to a local mechanic and you can fit that on your bike. So that was it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this review was useful. And if you're someone who's more into bikes and who loves bikes and their performance and all other things, you can hit me up on Instagram. You can message me or comment down your thoughts, queries, or whatever you have to share. So thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.